Welcome to all. Now we shall see about charts in MS PowerPoint 2013. A chart is a tool that's used to represent numeric data graphically. A chart in a presentation makes it easy to visualize comparisons. MS PowerPoint supports addition of charts. It also allows you to format charts. MS PowerPoint offers different types of charts. The main functions of a chart are to display data and invite further exploration of a topic. Nowadays, the charts are very common in television news, magazines, and newspaper because it is easier to present analytical reports using charts. Charts are used in situations where a simple table won't adequately demonstrate important relationships or patterns between data points. Let's understand some of the different charts available in PowerPoint. There are different types of charts such as column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and surface chart. Chart button is presented in the illustrations group under the insert tab. As you click on chart button, an insert chart dialog box will appear on the screen. Select a category of charts from the left pane. You can review the selected chart in the right pane. Components of the chart. A chart is a graphical representation of data. Charts are used to identify the trends or the relationship that might not be apparent in the worksheet data. Axes, the horizontal and vertical lines that surround the plot are called as axes. Most charts have two axes, which use x-axis and y-axis. Y-axis represents the vertical line, x-axis represents the horizontal line. Legend. The legend identifies each data series in a chart. Each data series is assigned a unique patterns or colors to differentiate one data series from another. Grid lines. Grid lines are horizontal and vertical lines in the plot area. These lines make it easier to identify the value of each data point on the chart. Plot area. The plot area represents an area containing with chart, axis and grid lines. In fact, the plot area is used represents an area in which chart is plotted and adjusted as per chart area. Data point or marker. The data marker represents worksheet. It appears as a bubbles or a dot type of symbol. Title, data series, plot area, vertical axis, horizontal axis and legend are all parts of a chart. Students, I hope you have understood about what's chart, types of charts and parts of a chart by watching this video. Thank you children. God bless you. Have a good day.